Chrissy here from the Creative Eclectic. Today I'm just going to show you how to put together a cling stamp set. I know a lot of you have got new stamp sets recently and I've had a few questions about putting them together. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll notice about your cling stamp set is that it comes in a little rubber thing and it's got some backing. I've already put a couple together. So what we're going to do is just going to peel off the backing. Of course, we're going to put that in the bin later. Right. So now you've got your sheet with the images on it. Now the first step, we're just going to start with an easy one. We'll start with this one. Just peel off the backing of that. So then you push your corresponding stamp out. I'm hoping you can see this. And you're just going to lay it on the backing. And then when you pick it up, it's much easier. Like I used to pull it off, and it's a bit tricky. So this one here, it's got the Eiffel Tower. So I'll get my Eiffel Tower stamp. Now, pull that off. And make sure that it goes the same way. The hardest ones to do are actually the circle ones because you have to make sure your image is the right way. There you go. Okay, turn over here. Now see how it's got some grooves. You can see the grooves on the paper that line up with this stamp. So I'm thinking that it probably goes that way. Whoops, and see, because I've picked it up and haven't done it flat, now you only really get one go. So this one's going to be a little bit off. It's not going to affect, see if I pull it off like that, it is going to be a bit wonky, but it's not going to, like not having your sticker on straight, it's not going to affect the way that you stamp. Okay, it doesn't affect the quality of the stamp, it just means that you're challenged with putting it together. And trust me, I'm very challenged with putting mine together. So let's grab this one here. So straight. No, it's not straight either. Doesn't matter. See, that's what happens when you get nervous when you're filming. Alright, so we're just going to leave the rest for now. But you'll see on the bottom of your thing there's a little strip. When you turn it over you can see the name. So what I like to do is grab my little trimmer. Now you can get one of these trimmers if you sign up as a demo in March. So you've only got today. And anyway, so I'm just going to trim that off. Now, I see it's got some paper on the front and back. So I'm going to pull off the front paper and I'm just going to, in my stamps case, put it down like that. So now when you close your stamp case, you can see the name of the stamp. Don't pull off the backing though, because... Now the other thing that I like to do is get a couple of glue dots and your pick tool. I've got the wrong tool on there. That's alright, it'll work. And you're just going to... I've got the stylus tool instead of the pointy end, but it's okay. Just going to put 4 glue dots on my back of my rubber. Now some people throw this rubber bit away, but I don't, and there's a good reason for that. And if I can just get the glue dots to stick, I'll show you. I have 2 reasons actually. First of all is that if you throw this away, we're just going to put 3 glue dots on today. If you throw this away, you can't see if you're missing any stamp sets. So if you're working on several different sets at once, at a glance you could see, so we'll just stick that down for now. I'm just taking this stamp out, so at a glance you can see that that is missing, right? And my glue dots didn't work very well, but you might have another solution for that. I didn't stick them very well. Anyway, the other reason, so now before I get to the other reason, now I'll just put that back in there, and you can see I've got all the stamps in my set there. And the other reason, which is even cooler, is when you stamp an image and you want a fussy cut, you can. A lot of people have trouble about where to fussy cut, so what we're going to do, we're just going to stamp an image. I'm going to stamp this little one here. Okay, tap, tap, tap. Now, I could just go, oh well, I'm going to wing it when I fussy cut, or I can take my piece of rubber out and work out which way it goes. Have a pencil and just draw around the edge. I see that's not very straight, but that's okay because I've got an eraser. Oh, I'm not going to use that eraser. Right, let's try again. So that's one for the bloopers, isn't it? Okay. This time we might line it up in the middle. And keep your pencil fairly vertical. Oh, a bit better. So now you've got a line to fussy cut around. And then you just pop that back into your case. And there you go. The other thing is if you have the old style clear mount stamps, you can use this leftover paper, leftover cling to make them into a cling mount stamp. So basically you just peel off the backing closest to you. You might need the point of your scissors, or you take a pick tool or something like that to help you with this. And you peel this off. Alright. Stick this side here to your stamp, then the other side is your cling side that goes onto your block. Okay, so there you go. So you've got 3 little tips to help you. I hope you enjoyed them, and until next time, stay safe and well and happy creating. Bye.